Hi, I'm Taffy. If there's two things I like, makeup, AliExpress. I mean, I like other things as well, but I do like those two things. So I was browsing AliExpress and I saw this. Does it look familiar? Because it looked familiar to me. And I was like, oh, I've never bought makeup off AliExpress before, but I couldn't help myself. Oh, I couldn't help myself. So I purchased that from the You Can Be shop and it arrived. Woo! Look at this. Look familiar? Yeah, it does. It does. Hang on. I'll show you. Oh, no, don't put it. Oh no, I put it all over my fucking clothes. So, AliExpress versus Anastasia Beverley Hills. Who's gonna win? I mean, I can probably tell, but I'm gonna fiddle around and play and let's just see how it goes. Oh, okay, before I do anything else, I need some lip product. Mate, I saw these and I just couldn't help myself because my god, girl, would you look at this packaging? Oh yeah! The lipsticks themselves, I mean, they're alright, but look how fucking cute that is. Look how cute it is. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, what am I gonna use? Try this one. This is in the color 4. I'm gonna chuck that on my face. Lipstick. What? I think I'm going to do some side-by-side swatches. I think that's a good thing to do. I swatched some of my beloved Prism palette the other day. I'm going to do it now so we can do a side-by-side. Where's the best place? Up here. Okay. Lucid. Eden. Unity. Yeah. Sphinx. Osiris. Sphere. And Obsidian. Oh, yeah. Black. Cool. Right. That's the first row of that. Now, the shade names of this are kind of funny. Famous. Yeah. Shook. Yeah. Gin and Juice. Yeah. This next one's called Truffle Butter. Fearless. Runaway. Oh, yuck. Yeah, that one's not great. And then, Lockdown. Can you, okay. That's okay. Okay. Have I got another bit of arm I can show you on with the things? I could do things on this arm. I'm going to do some swatches on this arm, I think. Yes. Right. Second row. Let's go. Dimension. One of my favourite eyeshadow colours. Parallel. Yeah. Pyramid. Yeah. Throne. Yeah. Saturn. Saturn. Like the planet. Eternal. Yeah. And Lure. Nice. Scrub it on the chair. Scrub it on the chair. Don't have any wipes, but I do have a chair. What am I looking at? Right. Bougie. Trust issues. California love. California love. This one's called 5 on it. Oh yeah, damn. You can see that sucks. Okay. And then the last 3. Run This Town. Rehab. And then the last one is called Naked. Spelt Nekked. Naked. Okay, so there's the side by side swatch. Swatch. Can you tell? Yeah, you can tell that there are some things that are a little bit different. Okay, now I'm gonna do an eye look, and on one side of my face is going to be the You Can Be Reflection. Is that what it's called? No, Rhythm. The You Can Be Rhythm palette. On the other side, the real shit. Prism. Okay, what sort of thing am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Oh, there are so many lovely options. This is, I love all these. Oh, they're so pretty. Let's start, my guy, with a fluffy, and I'm going to go into, no, the filth. Yeah, let's go in with Unity first. Oh, there's a lot of kickback on myself, I will say, but I don't mind. So Unity is gonna go just up here. Oh my god, which one of you dogs has farted? Oh, you're nasty. So, that one's that one. I'm gonna get a different fluffy. Same sort of deal, isn't it? Oh, close enough. Right, and I'm gonna go and use Gin and Juice and put it on this side. Okay, got a bit of that, but that's... Okay. Have I handicapped myself already by putting the shit one on my left eye? Potentially. There's a lot less happening with that, but it's okay for a, the start of an eye situation. It's a start, right? Back to the ABH. I'm gonna go into Lucid, yeah, and just tuck it underneath my brow. So a little bit of that, a little bit of that, all of that, yeah, good. And then underneath the brow, just for a little bit of that. Now I'm gonna get a brush. It's okay, that's fine. Brush and then into Famous and under the brow on the other side. I think I actually like this one better. I don't know what's with that Lucid one. It's never been my favourite. Okay, cool. Now let's deepen up the crease with yeah, let's hoof it into Eden. Blap, 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 bap, bap. And I'm deepening the crease with some orange. Yeah. Yes, pretty. Okay. Okay, Rhythm. Let's go into Shook. Oh, okay. Alright. That's good. Right. Crease deepening this guy. I mean, you can tell it's not quite the same, can't you? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Good. Good start. Okay, let's do even more crease deepening. Back into this guy. Do I have a smaller fluffy? Smaller fluffy? Charming. Smaller fluffy into, Parallel. She is brown. Touch that in there. More crease deepening. Oh, okay. Damn, these are some sweaty eyelids. Wow, I really went in there. That is good. Okay, let's, I'm just gonna buff that a bit. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Different fluffy. Okay. Now, on this side, this one's called Trust Issues. Some of these names are very problematic. Let's see how it goes on. Yeah, you can tell that's not quite the same, can you? You see that? You see that? Come on, a little bit more, let's go. I mean, it's actually going on a little bit smoother than the real one, I guess. But that might just be me being shit. And also, sweaty eyelids. It's so hot, oh God. Fluff around the outside, good. Now, let's really hammer the point home at this outside corner. And I'm gonna use the black one. Black eyeshadow, why wouldn't you? Right, Obsidian, just a tiny nibble, right? And I'm going to outer corner you. That's some black eyeshadow, dude. That's a lot. Pretty. Rhythm, the black one, Lockdown. Okay, let's see how this little guy goes. Yeah, it's, that's definitely not as much. Okay, here we go so far. Right, okay. What are we gonna do on the lids? I mean, there's just, all of these are so lovely. They really are. Throne is great. That's green. Do I do green? Don't know. No, you know what I'm gonna use? I'm gonna use Dimension because I feel like I've talked about it before, but this is one of my favorite eyeshadow colors of all the universe because, oh, it's gray, purple. It's so pretty, man. I'm just gonna chuck this, I need a mirror, you fucking idiot. Okay, this is just gonna go all over the lid using my finger because if that's not the best way to put on metallic eyeshadow, I don't know what is. Look, oh look, it's so pretty. Dimension, you are beautiful. You are a beautiful eyeshadow color and I like you because you are my friend. Look at her, man. Look at that. Oh, stunning. On this side, we're going into Bougie. Get that on my finger and then blur it. Okay, I mean, look at that, right? It's not bad, eh? It's actually not bad, but it's not quite the same. There's very little difference between the two. Like enough for me to be like, am I gonna use the fake one? Probably not, but let's finish with something cute below the eye. What color haven't we used? We've used most of them. So I'm gonna just stamp on a little bit of Lure under the eyes. I think that will be pretty. And just poke that up under there. Pretty. Then on this side, right, naked. Yeah, use a bit of that on this side. Okay. Now I'm just gonna chuck on some liner and some mascara, and then I'll be back. And then I'll be back. Well, I'm really half-assing this. Oh, God. That's fine. Okay, I really half-assed that last part. I wasn't... Yeah, I didn't try very hard. But dude, look at this. Is the pigmentation not as intense? Yeah. Can you work around it? Also, yeah. I don't know. This guy, man, it's fine. It's not like, when I use this guy, I'm like, holy shit, this is quality. Yeah, this is awesome. Oh, amazing. That pigmentation, oh, it's so pretty. You know, especially the sparkly ones in this. They are, mwah, chef's kiss. Yes, in here. They're okay. They're okay. No. Yeah, you can tell that the pigment's not quite the same, but, I mean, oh, that one that one was quite bad. But the other ones are fine. It's fine. Well, there's some very problematic shade names. Kind of. But aren't there always in everything? I don't know. And also, I mean, this shop sells shit like this. That's very exciting. You know, I decluttered my eyeshadows the other day. And then I went and bought another one because I was like, oh, it's exactly the same as one I've already got. But I was doing this for science. And while none of this has been particularly scientific, I've had fun. No, I haven't. It's awful. It's hot. Good. Fun experiment. $9.38. Well spent, I think. Yeah, so what do I have to say about this? I don't know. Like, can you even buy the Prism palette anymore? I found it at like a sales place, warehouse type situation. So, if you can't find the real one, the AliExpress one is not bad. It's not bad. It's okay. Okay, I'm gonna go sit under the air conditioner for a bit, so I will leave. I've been Taffy, you've watched me swatch, and then dude, I don't know, you were there, you've seen what I've been doing. If you had fun, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one, eh? True. I've had fun. I hope you've had fun. I hope this has been entertaining and informative. Alright, peace out, fam. Love you. See you later. Bye.